Introduction to AWS Amplify API category. The AWS Amplify API category is a development platform provided by Amazon Web Services that helps developers create scalable and secure backend APIs for their applications. To get started with the AWS Amplify API category, you need to have an AWS account and install the AWS Amplify CLI. Step 1. Configure your AWS Amplify project. Begin by running the command amplify init in your terminal to configure your AWS Amplify project. This command will prompt you to provide information about your project, such as the project name and the AWS region you want to use. Step 2. Define your API. After configuring your project, you can define your API using the command Amplify API. This command will prompt you to choose the type of API you want to create, such as REST or GraphQL. You can then define the API endpoints and the data models for your API. Step 3. Implement your API. Once you have defined your API, you can implement the API endpoints using AWS Lambda functions. You can write your Lambda function code in languages such as Node.js or Python. The AWS Amplify CLI provides a set of tools to help you generate the Lambda function code and configure the API gateway. Step 4. Deploy your API. After implementing your API, you can deploy it to AWS using the command amplify push. This command will create the necessary AWS resources such as the API gateway and the Lambda functions. Best practices for using AWS Amplify API category. To get the most out of the AWS Amplify API category, it is essential to follow best practices such as using environment variables to store sensitive data, monitoring your API performance using AWS CloudWatch, and implementing security measures such as authentication and authorization. Conclusion. In conclusion, the AWS Amplify API category is a powerful tool for creating scalable and secure backend APIs. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial and following best practices, you can create a robust and reliable API that meets the needs of your application. With the AWS Amplify API category, you can focus on developing your application without worrying about the underlying infrastructure.